What's up guys, Chris George here, and well, it's burger time. So I'm going to show you how to make a tasty burger. So first up, to make this burger, we're going to need a few ingredients. So let's begin. Okay, so there you go. That is my tasty burger. Now, of course, you don't need to use that charcoal bun. But seriously, I saw that at the supermarket and thought, that is really weird. I'm going to eat that. Yeah. So you can use normal buns, that's fine. But the secret to this burger was putting the Dijon mustard in the mince. I've probably said that before in another video, but that is a real key to making a really tasty burger patty. So one thing left to do, and that's to give it a try. If you like this recipe, leave a comment down below. And why not give the video a thumbs up? There's going to be more recipes soon. Thanks for watching.